Cross ratio. We have the definition of a cross ratio as cross ratio of four distinct points z1, z2, z3, z4 equal to S of z1, where S is a Mobius map which maps z2 into 1, z3 into 0 and z4 into infinity. It is not practicable that to find a Mobius map which transforms the second point into 1, third point into 0 and fourth point into infinity very easily. So we have to find a formula for cross ratio. For this we consider 4 points, 4 distinct points z1, z2, z3 and z4 in C infinity extended complex plane, and a Mobius map S of z equal to Az plus b by cz plus d. We have ad minus bc not equal to 0. Now we have the condition S of z2 equal to 1. That implies az2 plus b by cz2 plus d equal to 1. Next, S of z3 equal to 0. That implies az3 plus b by cz3 plus d equal to 0, which implies az3 plus b equal to 0. That implies z3 equal to minus b by a. Next, S of z4 equal to infinity. That means az4 plus b divided by cz4 plus d equal to infinity. The answer is infinity, therefore the denominator should be 0. That implies cz4 plus d equal to 0. Then we get z4 equal to minus d by c. So we get z3 and z4. Substitute this value in S of z2. We have S of z2 equal to az2 plus b divided by cz2 plus d, which is equal to 1 because z2 is mapped into 1. Now taking a outside from the numerator, we get a into z2 plus b by a divided by, and c from the denominator, c into z2 plus d by c equal to 1. We have z3 equal to minus b by a and z4 equal to minus d by c. Substituting these values for b by a and d by c, we get a by c into z2. b by a means z3 equal to minus b by a, therefore b by a equal to minus z3, z2 minus z3 divided by denominator z2 minus z4, z2 minus z4 equal to 1. Therefore a by c equal to z2 minus z4 divided by z2 minus z3. So we get a by c equal to z2 minus z4 divided by z2 minus z3. Now we have the definition of cross ratio. z1, z2, z3, z4 equal to image of the first point S of z1, and S of z1 equal to az1 plus b divided by cz1 plus d. Taking outside a outside from numerator, a into z1 plus b by a divided by c from the denominator, c into z1 plus d by c. We have b by a equal to minus z3 and d by c equal to a by c into z1 minus z3 divided by d by c equal to minus z4, z1 minus z4, and also that is we get z1, z2, z3, z4. Cross ratio of z1, z2, z3, z4 equal to a by c into z1 minus z3 divided by z1 minus z3 divided by z1 minus z4. Now we have the equation for a by c as z2 minus z4 into z2 minus z3. So substituting this, we get z1 minus z3 divided by z1 minus z4 into, for A by C, we substitute Z2 minus Z4 divided by Z2 minus Z3. So this is the equation for finding cross ratio of 4 distinct points Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 equal to Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z4 divided by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3. Actually, cross ratio has so many equations because 4 numbers can be arranged into 4 factorial ways, 24 ways. Actually, cross ratio is an arrangement of 4 distinct points Z1, Z2, Z3 into Z3, Z4. 4 numbers can be arranged into 4 factorial ways. So there are total 24 equations for finding cross ratio, and among them 6 are distinct and the remaining 18 are same. So one of the 6 is this cross ratio of Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 equal to Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z4 divided by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3. ഒരുപാട് ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, 6 ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻസ് കിട്ടും. ടോട്ടൽ 24 ഇക്വേഷൻസ് കിട്ടും. അതിൽ 6 എണ്ണം ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്, ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ബാക്കി 18 എണ്ണം ഇതിൽ 6 എണ്ണത്തിനോട് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്നിനോട് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. സോ അതിലെ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ മാത്രമാണിത്. അത് എങ്ങനെ വേണേലും സൈക്ലിക്കൽ ഓർഡറായിട്ട് ഇത് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്താൽ എല്ലാം ഈ ക്രോസ് റേഷ്യോനെ റെപ്രസെൻ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വേറെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് കിട്ടും. സോ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പഠിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴെല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു കൺസിഡർ ആൻ എക്സാമ്പിൾ. ഫൈൻഡ് ദി ക്രോസ് റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് 1, 0, -1i. So we get cross ratio of Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 equal to Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z4 divided by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3. So here Z1 is 1, Z2 is 0, Z3 minus 1 and Z4 is I. By substituting we get a cross ratio of 1, 0, minus 1, I equal to Z1 minus Z3 means 1 minus minus 1 into Z2 minus Z4 means 0 minus I divided by Z3 minus Z4 1 minus I and Z2 minus Z3 0 minus minus 1. That's equal to 2 into minus I divided by 1 minus I into 1. That's equal to minus 2i by 1 minus I. By multiplying the conjugate of the denominator we get 1 plus I into 1 by 1 plus I. We get minus 2i. Minus 2i into I is plus 2 divided by 2. That's equal to minus I plus 1. That's equal to 1 minus I. That's the cross ratio of 1, 0, minus 1, I. So the cross ratio may be a complex number or infinity. That is, cross ratio is a mapping from C infinity to C infinity.